Pinoy Big Brother Breakdown. Pinoy Big Brother started in August 21, 2005, where housemates from different walks of life will live in the Big Brother house for a certain number of days. The elimination process is each week the public will vote by text or online, and the housemate who received the least number of votes will be evicted and had to leave the house immediately. At the live finale, the housemate who received the highest number of votes will win and crowned as big winner. Famous confrontations. One of the biggest reasons viewers stay invested in Pinoy Big Brother is the unforgettable confrontations that happen inside the house. These conflicts often arise from misunderstandings, differences in personality, or the pressure of living together under constant observation. This segment explores how communication breaks down during heated exchanges, how emotions influence decision making, and how housemates attempt to resolve disagreements. By analyzing these confrontations, viewers can better understand the role of conflict management, emotional intelligence, and honest communication in maintaining relationships, even in high pressure environments.
Ikaw, Marie Chris, you yourself, ayaw mo na pinaparinggan ka, pero yun yung ginagawa mo. Marie Chris, listen to yourself. Kung ano yung ayaw mong gawin sa'yo, wag mong gawin sa iba. Iba ang
sinasabi mo, hindi mo nire-respeto ang tao. Yun ang sinabi mo, pero hindi mo ginawa.
Alam mo yung respeto, hindi yan ini-impose, Marie Chris. Ini-earn yan. And your age, act your age.
Bakit ka nag-ano? So ngayon?
Because you are forcing me.
No, I'm
Nel,
not forcing
stop
you.
her.
I'm just talking to you. I'm just talking
See,
to you.
I don't wanna talk to you.
Oh, yun ang problema. Yun ang problema.
Kasi ayaw kong ganyan ka makipag-usap
At ako
sa akin.
ayaw ko na ganyan ka nakapag-usap sa
Kaya
akin.
hindi tayo pwedeng mag-usap.
Breaking the rules. House rules are designed to create fairness and discipline, but there have been moments when contestants intentionally or accidentally break them, whether it's discussing prohibited topics, violating task instructions, or ignoring Big Brother's directives. Every rule violation carries consequences that affect both the individual and the entire house. This segment examines why contestants choose to take risks, how stress and emotions influence their decisions, and how rule breaking impacts trust among housemates. It also highlights how accountability and responsibility become important lessons throughout the competition.
Pagsasamantala
Pabor kay Kuya Aki yan. Pabor kay Kuya
Pagsasamantala
Aki.
ko muna to.
Ang pananamantala sa kapwa sa kahit anong konteksto ay hindi dapat ginagawang biro. At kailanman ay hindi ko maaaring palagpasin ang mga ganitong klaseng biro sa loob ng aking bahay. Malinaw din na nakasaad sa aking rulebook na hindi kayo maaaring gumamit ng mga salitang nakakabastos sa inyong kapwa housemates. Banjo. Dahil sa sunod-sunod mong paglabag sa patakaran kong ito, humantong ako sa isang desisyon. Ikaw ay pinapatawan ko ng forced eviction.
Public backlash. Life inside the Pinoy Big Brother house doesn't end when an episode airs. Every action is closely examined by millions of viewers online. Contestants who make controversial decisions, display poor sportsmanship, or become involved in conflicts often face immediate public reactions across social media. This segment explores how audience opinions are formed, how viral moments shape a contestant's reputation, and how online discussions can influence public support. It also shows the power of digital communication in reality television, where public perception can become just as important as what actually happens inside the house, affecting a housemate's popularity long after the cameras stop rolling.